Hey, I just want to make another video. Same thing keeps happening. So I've got the air on, I've got it on cool. It's like 91 degrees today also. I've got it on vent. I've got the air on. And I'll turn it up, or I'll just I'll turn it up. I mean, it should be colder, right? It's 106 degrees coming out my vents. And you guys just reset this HVAC system earlier this year because I was having problems with the fan buzzing when I turned it up. But it's coming out 100 and whatever. You see it. You see the red dot. It's right pointed right at the vent. I'll come to the back. 184, 183. And that's just not good for a 90,000 hour vehicle. And I'll show you one more time. When I put on auto, sometimes this front will cool off a tad. Not much. It's already going back up. But when I do that, where it does cool off a tad up here, let's go, yeah, there. It's averaging about 98, I guess. When I come to the back, with 180, it's disgustingly hot in here, man. Something needs to be fixed.